This is a Lego Starship, but no Lego Starship is, well, if it's on its own, it's on its own. But I did a video of this a long time ago, and let's do that again, shall we? Hi guys, Ralph here. So this is Lego Kit 6890. This is a Lego Spaceship Starship. It is boxed, it is complete, it has... I saw a version of this available on eBay a long time ago, and I thought, how has it done that? Because all it basically was is the ship is as it is. The white parts were replaced with the black, and this was probably, I don't know if it was 10 years ago, maybe less than that. I thought, how could I make this better? So I bought the parts. I think it was Bricklink back then. There is Brick Howl as well. A few of the ones that do sell Lego pieces. It is a little bit of industry I'd love to get into, but I just want the full kits anyway. So this has got a little ship, space cruiser, and a shuttlecraft for landing on planets, because Lego doesn't have transporters. And basically, the video I did quite a few years ago, I think it's a very, very early version of Retro Tech Ralph. Basically, I think it was either episode 17 and 19, 18, really early on, back when and where. But I just did a speed build, a little bit of introduction, a little bit of speed build. I'm actually going to stop this bit now, and I'm going to cut in something, because it'll probably show the level of, I want to say confidence, because I'm still very, very shy about doing these videos. It's very personal to me to do these, and I hate sort of looking back, but I also hate begging people to subscribe and click the thumbs up or be a Patreon. Hate that sort of stuff. But I wanted to redo this because I love the kit. I used to play with this kit when I was a very young kid, and it would never leave my side. But the darker version of this is what I wanted to do as a different ship. But what I'm going to do, like I say, I'm going to cut in a part of that video now, and then we'll get on to doing a bit of building of this and a bit of speed build, and we'll show you these models all done. Lego Kit 6890 was the spaceship with the shuttle pad, with the nice man with the red outfit in space, but doesn't have a visor on, which they do correct nowadays anyway. Now this is a little bit different, as you'll see in a second, that I appear to have got a bulb gone. Okay, 1 second. Bulb back. Thank you. It always happens when you're yeah, trying to be serious. The bulb blows. So okay, pieces out. Peace out. Yes, let's get that over there. Give you a bit of an idea what it looks like. Right. I don't think we have a list of what pieces, where and how. So what I'm going to do is, they're all there. I might get rid of that one. Not going to help me at all. What I'm going to do, one side's going to be the white one, one side's going to be the black one. I'll let you see if you like the look of it, basically. Because I absolutely love the black one, but too purist, had to buy the white one. Okay, embarrassment factor over the top. That video is available on the channel. You can just search for it. Just search for Lego 6890. You'll find that, no problem at all. So we're going to get on with this. We're going to start building it. I'm actually going to do this in the house, because this is the garage, that's the house. It was a bit more comfortable to actually make things in there than be on here. But yeah, we're going to show you that being built, both versions. This is the white version, this is the light version, and then the dark version is basically the same but in black. So let's go build. there we go. Now, back in the garage. I'm going to put the box to one side, just for a second. I mean, it does come with, actually, to be honest, when I actually did this originally, yeah, the instructions there, nice original instructions, and with the butler as well, never been opened. I did go, like I said, I've gone through Bricklink to get parts. I think I went a little over top on some of them, but some kind of aren't there, or I ordered too many on some, but yeah, just spare parts and a camera for no reason whatsoever. So let's do a review, shall we? Because you all love a review. Everyone loves a review. Everyone loves being able to put a cardboard box inside another cardboard box. There we go. Thank you. So basically, 6890 is, you would move that up, shuttle will come out, and there's a red man inside. Red spaceman. Happy, happy, happy. And it would dock inside. If there's some more, I can easily do other things. There's one way of actually putting piece there and a piece underneath there and piece underneath there. So when this docks, it goes in and it kind of, there's a gap right there. So that can go lower than and then just put into place. You could easily just push that up and it would just lock into place a little bit, but that doesn't go down flush. So now it's stuck. Amazing, this is actually 50 years Lego or whatever. See, that goes back down again. So we had rockets on the side, which didn't come off. Antenna up here for aerials. The landing part there, the shuttle. Everybody's in a spacesuit. Everything's as it should be. Cool. Lasers on the front, obviously. I mean, there's a escape hatch there if you wanted to get out. It was playable. So playable. I mean, you put that underneath to push in. If you'd make it so it was permanently in, yeah, you could fly it around. I think there's a channel for Lego that I watch, M&R Productions. Very swooshable, very, very swooshable, but also quite fragile. There's a lot of strength issues on this. When it's together, it's fine, absolutely fine. So, actually, with that being pushed in, is that not going back down right? No, that's fine. So that is the standard version. The dark version, I think, looks kick-ass. Exactly the same. I've got a guy in there in a black suit and a face helmet as well. But he's a little bit newer face print on that. I didn't want to change the blue. I've changed the grey steps on here to black. The thrusters on here to black. Everything is black on here. Even on the front, change the lasers to the blue lasers. But one big change is on this one. If I look on this to the left thruster, you got a red light there. On the opposite side, I have a green. I can show you that with a torch once I find one. But it is definitely a green plastic part there. You can just see a little bit of green. Same as on here, the running lights. So I also decided to put on here, blue ones on here, just because, and red on there because they're thrusters, not running lights. But I understand how they didn't do that on here. Couldn't find a blue one with the grid lines on there, but that doesn't matter. Blue on top, black underneath. So that comes out, and then everything is black on this. So it's like a stealth, like a dark, like if it was a Star Trek, it would be a mirror universe space cruiser. But I really did. I wish I could have got Bricklink or things like that when I was a kid. Everything was, you've either lost it or that's, if you've lost a part, you've got no chance. So yeah. But really, I was quite impressed to see this on eBay. Actually, it wasn't this, because I did buy all the parts myself from Bricklink. But to see something like this, and I thought, why not? Why not make a black one? It was just basically changing everything white to black, the grey stuff to black. And it is exactly the same ship. So again, got these problems with it doesn't connect on there, but it should do. So you push it on, but then doesn't make that go down. But again, very, very swooshable, playable as a kid. But again, I think I was 10 when this was out, if not maybe less than that, maybe more than that. So I am very old. Thank you very much for asking. So cute ship, very cute, very good. Part of my grown up, part of my childhood. 6890. In a big way. So I hope you enjoy this. A little bit look into my personal history with one of my old original toys. It would have been this one. Unfortunately, like everything, they got changed over the years, and this is no longer mine, but it is mine because I bought it mine, so it's mine. So there, mine. But I had to rebuy lots of things over the years. Life happened in the middle, so it's fine. So cool. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't do that yourself, if you've had a toy, whether or not it's a Lego car, a Lego spaceship, a Lego fire station, whatever, change the colours of it if you want to do that. My voice is going for some reason. Don't know where it's going, that's the problem. But yeah, I just do love this ship, and it'll go on display as soon as this video is finished. So that in mind, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon. Consider being a YouTube member to help me out with this channel and try and get this channel. Yeah, well, I know I gain subscribers, but I'm not a million, nowhere near my first play button. So yes, I think we'll just do this for the fun of it now anyway. So yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.